All right, guys. She came and is being inspected by the House Inspector General, Alex. The Talon beast is in the house. This bad boy weighs over 100 pounds. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to put together, but I will show you when I'm done. Not bad. As I suspected, mostly what I need to do is put the front tire on and then like all the extra little pieces. That's your battery up front. Look at the shocks. This is going to be fun riding. But this is how it came out of the box. Just lay down. There we go. And that is how it came. I just cut the front and it's almost all built. I'll have to put the fenders on. I think there's a back rack for it possibly. Or the front fender. It looks like the back fender is on. But I will let you know. What do you think, Alex? Yeah? I have all the stuff sitting on a table over here. Yeah? All right. You inspect. All right, guys. It's built. It was not terrible. It took me about, 45 minutes. All I had to do was put the front wheel on, the front fender, the handlebars, pedals, and in the back there's a passenger feet. I have not driven it yet, so I'm gonna take her for a spin and then come back and give you a review. Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. I have a review for you today of this wonderful e-bike. Put the name up here. This is a dirt bike, my friends. It has double the batteries, double the power. It can go up to, I think, 80 miles on a charge. Suspension in the back, suspension in the front. This is gonna be a fun bike for somebody who likes to ride outside on the trails. Definitely, it could be a city cruiser, but I would definitely say this is more of a fun bike, more of like an explorer out in the wild. So let's take it for a ride and see what she can do. All right, guys, I took her for a ride and it was great. Went down here, over the bumps, over the hills. She's got a lot of power. I'm gonna tell you she's heavy. You wanna hold on tight, especially if you're gonna use the throttle, because there's a little bit of torque involved. You hit a bump, she's gonna pull you forward, you're gonna get out of it. I'm gonna take her across the way here and we're gonna try to ride on a big old field and see what that feels like out there. Do some looping for you and I will show you what she has, and then we're going to talk about some specific specs. All right, guys, welcome to the Talon T787 dual motor e-bike. This bike was sent to me for review and I wanted to go over some of the more technical and performance aspects of this bike. The battery is a 48 volt 15.6 AH2. It is a 2A fast charger. It is water resistant. The throttle speed is 20 miles per hour and assistance can reach up to 28 miles per hour. She weighs 112 pounds. The range is up to 90 miles, which is pretty fantastic. There's two motors and they're each 750 watt, and she can hold up to 330 pounds, which is pretty cool. These are 20-inch puncture-resistant tires with an LCD color monitor. The brakes are hydraulic disc. There is a chain, which is corrosion resistance. There's a 7-speed Shimano gear shift. It is carbon steel. There is a throttle. There's a kickstand. She can hold 2 people. So there are some footrests in the back for your second passenger. This bike is made to go outdoors, off-roading, and definitely for the adventure-minded folk of us. Now, what I liked about this bike specifically, we got into our little techness. I love that it felt so freeing. I could use the throttle. I didn't have to focus on pedaling when going over the rough terrain and hitting those bumps. But when I wanted to, I could pedal along and get the speed up a little bit or just ride it on the street for some exercise, which is always important to me to get that pedaling in. But I will definitely say this is not a road cruiser, definitely an outdoors, off roading, gravel, get down and dirty kind of bike. And if you're like me and have a little bit of maybe some mobility issues or endurance, but you still want to get out there and experience what it's like to go off roading and dirt biking, this is going to be the ride for you. The price point is great for what you get. It's comfortable. You've got those shocks in the back. There is a light in the front, your 7 gears, your disc brakes in the front and back. There's also some safety features. You have to have the special card in order to start the bike. You need the keys that will lock the two batteries in. To will definitely make it theft resistant. Nobody's coming up and turning it on and getting on if they don't have those key cards that will allow the control to turn on. But I think this is a pretty cool bike, and somebody is going to enjoy this all summer long. Take it camping, take it out to the river, take it out to the forest, on your trails. You are going to enjoy this bike immensely all summer long and maybe a little bit even into the fall. Definitely, if you're looking for some adventure, this is going to be the bike for you.